Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. In the last video we learned about what are common and proper nouns. So today we'll be doing the worksheet for that. Before that, I would like you to revise once again common and proper nouns. Common nouns are the general names for the nouns and they're always written with a small letter. For example, girl, boy, city, park, etc. Whereas proper nouns are the special names for the nouns and they are always written with a capital letter. For example, girl, Sana, boy, Ahmed, park, Ayub Park, or city, Lahore. Now we know that we write the proper nouns with the capital letters and the common noun with the small letters because they are the general names and proper nouns are the special names. Alright students, coming towards the worksheet, this is page number 3 and worksheet number 3. Replace with proper nouns. A proper noun names a specific person, place, animal, or a thing. We know that proper noun is a specific name for a person, place, thing, or an animal, and it is always written with a capital letter. Okay, make the story below more interesting by replacing the common nouns with proper nouns from the word bank. Now what can you see in this box? The words are given over here and you have to fill in this paragraph like the story by using these proper nouns from the box. The first word is PC Bourbon, Governor House, Murray, Mall Road, SLS Montessori and School, Kashmir Point, Miss Amina, Asim, National Library, KFC, Sarah, Red Onion. A trip to remember. Ahmed and his family went on a trip last summer. They went to a city dash. Now city is a common noun and we have to write a proper noun for it. Now the proper noun for the city is, the city name over here written is Murray, so we are going to write Murray over here. They went to a city, Murray. They stayed at a hotel. Now which hotel? The name of the hotel over here written, the proper noun is PC Bourbon. So we are going to write PC Bourbon over here, and remember we'll write it with the capital letters, right? Because it is a proper noun, we are replacing the common noun with the proper noun and we are going to write it with the capital letter. PC Bourbon. Next day they went to a road. Now road is a common noun, right? Which road? The name of the road is going to be proper. So we are going to write Mall Road over here because the road name given over here was Mall Road in the box above. So Mall Road, capital M and capital R, Mall Road. For shopping, and they had their lunch at a restaurant. Now restaurant, again a common noun. Which restaurant? Red Onion. So Red Onion is going to be written with a capital R and a capital O. Full stop. They even saw a house, the dash house. Now which house? Governor House. They saw which house? House is a common noun. There are so many houses. Now which house? Governor House. When we're talking about a special house, so we are going to write it with a capital letter because it is a proper noun. Where the governors live. Now Governor House is a place where the governors live. They visited a picnic spot. Now which picnic spot did they visit? They visit Kashmir Point. Now Kashmir Point is a proper noun. We have written it from here. See, it's written here, Kashmir Point. So Kashmir Point, again K capital and P capital. Where they had a wonderful time. When Ahmed returned to school, which school? School, again common, and which school? SLS Montessori School. So SLS Montessori is a special name for a school. We are again going to write it with the capital letter. After the summer break, a teacher, again there are so many teachers, a special teacher. Which teacher? Her name was Miss Amina, so she's a proper noun, and a teacher is again a common noun. His class teacher told him he should get extra grades by giving a presentation about his trip. By giving a presentation about his trip, he had some photographs to use and he also went to a library. Now which library he went to? He went to National Library to write down some information about the places he visited. Now he went to the library. Which library? National Library, to write down some information about the places he visited during his trip. Again, National Library is the proper noun. It's the name of a library, a special name. It is going to be written with a capital letter. After Ahmed's presentation was a success, a girl. Now which girl? Sarah, and a boy. Which boy? Special name? Asim talked to Ahmed afterwards because they were excited to learn more about the things he had seen. Now, there were two of the girl and a boy who wanted to learn more about, or who wanted to know more about Ahmed's trip. So they went and they asked him. Ahmed's parents were happy with his success. They took him to a fast food restaurant. Now, a fast food restaurant, which restaurant? KFC. The special name for the restaurant is KFC. Now, which restaurant? There are so many restaurants, but they took him to KFC that night to celebrate. They all had fun talking about their trip and remembering the fun they had. Okay, so that's it. We have filled in all the blanks. Now, make sure when you're writing or doing your work, first thing, your writing should be very neat and clean. And the second thing, you have to write, keep this thing in your mind that you're going to write all the nouns, the proper nouns with the capital letters in the blanks. Okay, students, now we'll be doing worksheet number 4, proper nouns. Before starting it, we'll just have a look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? There is a girl and a dog, right? Okay, the girl has a special name. Her name is Daisy. Now, what is the name of the girl? Daisy. So see, we have written Daisy with a capital letter D. Her dog has a name too. His name is Snowy. Now, what is the name of the dog? The name of the dog is Snowy. We have written Snowy with a capital letter S. The place where they live is called London. Now, the place where the girl and the dog live is London. So London is the place, so it will be written with a capital letter L. It is a special name of a place. Daisy, Snowy, and London are proper nouns. Now, 3 of them are the proper nouns, and so they are written with a capital letter because they are the special names. A special name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing is a proper noun. Your name is a proper noun too. We always write our name with a capital letter. Yes, so it is a proper noun. Write the correct proper nouns in the spaces below. Remember that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now you have to answer these questions and you have to write the proper nouns with the capital letters. What is your name? My name is Hania. You have to write down your name over here with a capital letter. Like I wrote Hania, but you have to write down your own name, right? And see, Hania, a special name, so the first letter of the name is going to be capital. I live in Rawalpindi. Now, Rawalpindi is the city where I live, so I have written it with the capital letter R. And it is a special name of a city where I live. The name of my school is SLS. Right? The name of my school. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is SLS. So SLS is a special name for the school. So I have written it with the capital letter S. Who is your best friend? Sana is my best friend. I've written the name of my best friend, and you people are going to write down the name of your best friend over here with a capital letter. The name of one neighboring country of Pakistan is, you have to write down the name of one of the neighboring countries of Pakistan, Iran. Right? Iran, so I is going to be capital. Okay, common nouns. Common nouns are general, not specific. They are not names, so they are not written in capital letters unless they are the first word in a sentence. Common nouns are always written with a small letter. Why? Because they are the general names, they are not the special names. But if they come in the beginning of a sentence, we'll be writing them with a capital letter. Because we know that whenever we begin a sentence, we always begin it with a capital letter. This is a picture now of a school, park, or a river. Now you can see the picture. What do you think this is a picture of? Is this a picture of a school, a park, or a river? I think this is a picture of a park. Look at the picture again, fill in the missing letters to get the names of people, animals, things you see in the picture. Now, what can we see in the picture? I can see a girl, a boy, a dog, a ball, butterflies, 2 butterflies, a monkey, a bench, all these things, a book. A girl is holding a book in her hand. So I can see all these things in the picture. Now we have to write down what can we see in the picture. People. There are 2 people. There's a girl and a boy. Now they both are the common nouns. They're not the special names. There's just a girl. We don't know what is the name of the girl and we do not know what is the name of the boy. So they're common. Girl and boy, common nouns, and they'll be written with a small letter. Animals. Which animals can we see? a monkey, a dog, and a butterfly. We do not know the names of the animals, so they are also common and they'll be written with the small alphabet. Things. Which things can we see? We can see a ball, we can see a tree, we can see a book, and we can see some flowers. So we have written over here tree, book, ball, and flowers. Now see, first and last letter is given and you have to fill in the letters between. So we have got a hint, we know what the words are. So this is the way we are going to fill in this worksheet. Your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Make sure when you do your work properly. Don't forget to write the common nouns with the small letters and the proper nouns with the capital letters.